Today we're putting together a Patrick Motorsports 5.5-inch single disc lightweight clutch kit for 6-bolt crank Porsche motor. This will include the Quartermaster single disc clutch kit, Patrick Motorsports extended throttle bearing for single disc, pressure plate bolts, pilot bearing, flywheel bolts, thrust plate, factory Porsche part, and again the Quartermaster clutch kit. When going to a double disc that can handle up to 325 horsepower, this also runs a short profile extended throttle bearing made by Patrick Motorsports. This clutch kit is used in one of my own personal race cars. Very robust, super lightweight. It's the ultimate racing clutch kit. Not really recommended for street cars. Here is we'll assemble it without the friction plate or disc, and we will balance it up and spin it up. Make sure the balance is perfect before we ship it, and then it'll come to you marked and balanced, ready to go on your car to ensure proper balance and best performance. Now we're going to spin up the flywheel for balance on the crankshaft. We'll first balance the flywheel separate, then we'll come back and put the clutch on, balance it to match, and we'll mark it to match so they'll be indexed, ensuring proper balance when you take it out of the box and you go to put it on your car. Once we're in balance, we then engrave the flywheel and clutch package to match up so that during installation you get it back in sync.